Quick guide to cooktops versus rangetops, what truly fits your kitchen. This is the trade table, where home improvement meets smart design. Choosing between a cooktop and a rangetop can dramatically shape your kitchen's layout, functionality, and overall cooking experience. While both heat your food, the way they integrate into your kitchen design is very different. Let's break down the key differences so you can choose the best setup for your home. A cooktop is a built-in appliance installed directly into the countertop. The controls are typically located on the surface of the unit, and the appliance sits flush or nearly flush with the countertop. Cooktops are commonly paired with wall ovens, giving homeowners more flexibility in kitchen layout. They're often used in modern kitchen designs where separation between cooking appliances creates better workflow. Cooktops also come in several fuel types, including gas, electric, and induction. A rangetop looks similar to the top portion of a professional kitchen range. Unlike cooktops, rangetops usually have front-facing controls, similar to what you'd find on a full-size range. They are typically deeper and more powerful than cooktops, often featuring high BTU burners designed for serious cooking. Rangetops also require cabinetry cutouts, similar to full professional ranges, and are often installed with high-performance ventilation systems. They're most common in chef-inspired or professional-style kitchens. Installation is one of the biggest differences between the two. Cooktops drop directly into the countertop and are relatively straightforward to install. Rangetops require deeper cabinetry space and sometimes specialized support structures. Because of their size and power, rangetops are typically paired with stronger range hoods and ventilation systems. If you're planning a remodel, this installation difference can affect cabinet design and budget. Both appliances can deliver excellent cooking performance, but their focus differs slightly. Cooktops prioritize sleek design and versatility with different fuel types. Rangetops focus more on power and professional cooking capability. Many rangetops offer higher BTU burners, better heat distribution, and larger cooking surfaces, making them popular among serious home cooks. However, cooktops can still offer excellent performance for everyday cooking. Cooktops often fit better in minimalist or modern kitchens because they integrate cleanly into countertops. Rangetops tend to anchor the kitchen visually, becoming a focal point of the cooking area. If your kitchen design emphasizes sleek simplicity, cooktops usually work well. If you want a bold, professional look, rangetops may be the better choice. Choose a cooktop if you want flexible kitchen layouts, modern design, and compatibility with wall ovens. Choose a rangetop if you want professional performance, front-mounted controls, and a chef-style cooking experience. To compare cooktops and rangetops from trusted brands, visit thetradetable.com, your destination for smarter appliance decisions.